Okay, so hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Style with Pooja. I hope you guys are doing really good and great. So guys, in my today's video, I'm going to share a remedy, a homemade remedy, which will help you to cure your dry cough. So these days, dry cough is also an issue for few people. Due to cold, they have cold, but they have a dry cough and they don't have any medicines to cure it. Those who believe in DIY medicines, and if they don't know the remedy, then here is the video for you guys. I'm going to share a DIY remedy for dry cough, and this is based on three types of people, three body types of people: those who have pith, that is acidity, cough, and a gas. So these types of people can also try this remedy. So the first thing is, the first remedy can be tried by pith people, that is the acidity type of people. The second remedy can be tried by the cough people, and both remedy can be tried by the third person who has gas. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video and see what are those two remedies which will help you to cure your dry cough.
Health benefits of bitter leaves. From using it in prayers and religious ceremonies to eating it in a form of pan, bitter leaves contain many curative and healing health benefits. The leaves are full of vitamin like vitamin C, thiamine, nicotine, riboflavin, carotene, and a great source of calcium. Here I'm going to share some 5 best remedies that how pan is beneficial for your health. Let's start with the first benefit. Bitter leaves help in treating diabetes. Those who have diabetes can have pan. It also helps in preventing weight loss. Weight loss, it reduces the meda dhatu, that is the body fat, and increases the metabolic rate of the body. So do try it for weight loss. It prevents to lead in cancer. Bitter leaves help you to avoid cancer, the cancer formation in your body. All you need to do is just boil 10 to 12 bitter leaves for a few minutes and add honey into it. Then drink it on a daily basis. But don't add honey in a hot water. Let the hot water be warm. It heals wounds. It heals cough, cures headache. So here I am going to share a dry cough remedy of bitter leaves.
1, 2, 3, come on!
Here, let me quickly tell you that you have to wash bitter leaves for around 2 times. Then you have to take a pan and add water into it, how many people are drinking. Then you have to put bitter leaves. Each person should have 2 bitter leaves, and yeah, make sure you don't break the stem. The stem has very good benefits, so yeah, don't break it, just put those leaves in it. Here we are making for 2 people, so added some 4 bitter leaves into it. Now let me share you that how you have to boil it. First step is just boil it in a full flame for around 5 minutes. Then switch on the flame in a light and have 15 minutes for 15 minutes in a low flame, so that the benefits of bitter leaves will be absorbed in water. Here I have used induction in 200 speed and it is boiling for around 15 minutes. See the color of the bitter leaves, it started turning dark in color. That means it is shedding its properties in the water. After that, just cover the pan for around 5 minutes, then serve it hot and drink this remedy twice in a day if you have a dry cough, and yeah, you will be beneficial out of it.
drink is really amazing. Don't go to the background or the lighting over here because I'm shooting the night time right now. But apart from that, let's talk about this drink first. This drink is just amazing for your cold and cough. All you need to have is just betel leaves. So betel leaves is very good. I'm going to share betel leaves benefits which I've already shared in the previous clips, and I hope you have liked this video. In this time, like when you have this coronavirus situation or the cold coming situation, that monsoon season have started in some places such as Mumbai and all. So this cold cough is just a common thing over here, and without any tablets, those who don't believe in having tablets, then definitely can try this home remedy. This home remedy is something which is working great. All you need to do is have it for continuously 3 to 4 days, and you will itself find the result on your body, your cough, and how it is reacting. It is like curing it very quickly, and as it is a home remedy, there is no side effects at all. And all you need to do is have this drink hot. You should not keep it warm and have this drink. Better you have to take it very hot, sip it and drink it continuously. You can take 2 cups in a day, like morning or afternoon you can take, or evening or night you can take before going to bed. This drink works great and good for the immune system as well. So do definitely try this drink, and let me enjoy this drink now.
Let's start with the remedy. First you need to do is boil the milk. So here I'm boiling the milk in 1300 temperature in my induction. After the milk is boiled, you have to add is the turmeric into it. So here I am adding some 1 spoon of turmeric into it. Let it boil in high flame, then turn the flame in a low medium flame like 200 or 600 and let it boil for 5 minutes. After the goodness of turmeric enters into the milk, all you need to do is off the flame, and then you have to add jaggery into it. So after offing the flame, add jaggery around 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons of jaggery in this quantity of milk, and then mix it really well. After mixing it, just serve hot. Drink this milk for around 5 to 7 days on a night before sleep, before 1 hour of sleep, and you will find good
not
result.
only cure your dry cough but help you to boost your immune system as well in this coronavirus scenario. So I hope you guys have liked this video, and if you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, share button and subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the small bell icon right there so that you won't miss any such videos from my side. And guys, help me to reach 1k subscribers soon. So meet you in my next video. Till that, take care. Ta-ta. Bye bye.